Hello, my dear friends. Hi, how are you doing? I hope you are all fine. Here I am today. What is this in my hand? Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, what's this? It's a kite. I have brought a kite to the studio today. What am I going to do? Am I going to fly it? Yes, I may fly it, but you may not be able to see that. Okay, let's get started for this video class today. How many of you have flown kites during the lockdown period? How many of you have ever flown kites? Not just in the lockdown period, before that or after that. Have you ever flown a kite? Have you ever experienced the joy of flying a kite? If you haven't, I'm telling you, you please do make a kite and fly high in the sky. You're going to experience something you have never experienced. Will you do that? Please do it. How did you feel if you have flown a kite earlier? How did you feel while flying a kite? We all have flown kites and we all experience a real kind of enjoyment. So, how did you feel while flying a kite? Can you describe your experience in a few words for me? Yes. Now, take a moment, pause this video, and try to write. When you are trying to write, can you get the words to describe the movements of your kite flying high in the sky? Sometimes it falls, sometimes it rises high in the sky. Are there any special words to describe the movements of the kite flying high in the sky? Now we are at a loss of words. I think we need to know some words to describe the movements of the kite flying high in the sky. So why not we learn all those beautiful words in the form of a poem? Yes, we can. Let's have a look at this beautiful poem. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. One string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright and the blue is a kite when it's new, but a ragged thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. This beautiful poem is titled The Kite, and this poem has been written by Harry Benn. And in this beautiful poem, it has been so clearly depicted how the kite flies high in the sky. This poem is divided into two stanzas. I'm gonna read this poem once again so that you pay attention, and this time I want you to sing it with me. You have already heard it once. If you want, rewind it and listen to that. And this time I want you to sing it with me. Please do that. Okay? Don't cheat me. Okay? How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. One string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a ragged thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. This is the beautiful poem that we have. And this poem has been divided into two stanzas, and let's go this poem stanza by stanza and understand. Here is the first stanza for us. Let's have a good look at it and then try to understand what it really has to tell us. How bright and the blue is a kite when it's new. When your kite is new, it looks so bright, so colorful on the blue. On the blue means in the sky. When your kite is flying high in the sky, especially when your kite is new, it would be so colorful to see in the sky. With a dive and a dip, with a dive and a dip. What do you mean by dive here? Dive means plunge steeply downwards through the air. So I want to show that movement to you. So observe this. So this is the kite and this is diving, okay? This is diving. It's plunged steeply downwards through the air. It dives. And then what do we have here? It also take a dip. What is the dip here? It's a quick movement of up and down. So here dip means it's a quick movement like this. This is dip. Dive means this. Hope you have understood that. I'll show it with my hand otherwise. Dive. Okay? Dip means? Okay? That is dip. Okay, I hope you do understand that. And then what happens here? With the dive and the dip, it snaps its tail. It snaps its tail and it makes a sharp cracking sound. When it is flying high, it just snaps its tail and it makes some cracking sound like this. Some cracking sound it makes. That's what we call snap. And this is a snap of fingers. And the tail snaps and it makes a cracking sound. Is that clear for you? Okay. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. So let's see. What do you mean by soar? To fly high. Okay. It soars like a ship. This kite flies high just like a ship. What does our kite has to do with a ship here? The kite has been compared with a ship. What kind of a ship? With only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. When a ship rides on waves of the ocean or sea, when it rides on the ocean, how a ship moves forward with a sail, just like that, here the kite is flying high in the sky. We come across this new word here, sail. Do you know what it means? Let's have a look at this. Look at this picture. You can see a boat there in the picture and a long thin piece of cloth is hanging there, right? That's what we call a sail. A piece of material that is extended on a mast to catch the wind and propel a boat or ship or other vessel. So whenever a boat has this sail, it really helps the movement of the boat. So we do have a sail like that. And in this meaning, we have come across another new word, that is a mast. What is a mast? A tall upright post. You can see there the tall upright post is there, right? You might have seen it. Yes. Let's get back. Okay. Then climbs to the crest. It climbs to the crest. What do you mean by crest here? Crest means, what do you mean by crest? It's a top of something like a hill or a mountain. A top of something is crest. Of a gust and pulls. This kite flies high when there is a gust. What do you mean by gust? A sudden strong rush of wind. When there is a sudden strong rush of wind, it flies, it pulls, and then it seems to rest as wind falls. When the wind blows, it flies high. When the wind falls, it seems to take some rest. This is the first stanza for us. I want all of you to recite this stanza out of your memory. So I want you to memorize this stanza before you watch the next video. So by the time you watch next video, I want everyone to recite this out of your memory. So please do that for me. And you got to sing it like me or better than me. I'll be very happy to listen to you. I may make phone calls very soon to you. So, in that, I would like to listen to your beautiful song here. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye. And in the next video, we will learn the second stanza. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye.